Good morning, children. I am Bhaskar, social teacher of 8th class. In the previous class, we have studied about the national movements past one. Now today, we have read about the 11th chapter B, national movement, the last pass. National movement, the last pass. The national movements or freedom movement has divided the three parts. One is the first pass, second pass, third pass. Congress Party founded in 1885, then 1905 the first pass. It is a first movement of the in our. So the modern or the period of the modern period in our country, the age of the 1900 to 1947, what they have the discussion, what they have the movements are run or other movements are, how is the our freedom has get the our people, our leaders. In previous class we have already studied about the extreme pass and moderate pass people, how they are launch their programs, how their organizations are running, how the people they are moderate the people of the to aware of the British people's rule. Today, very important chapter we have discussed about that one. What is this is all the main important lead of the to get our freedom by Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, we know about how he has given the moments, how he has succeeded the freedom of India, what he has taken some of the excellency of the other leaders. So, very curiosity to know about the history of the Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Why he is called father of the nation? He had taken the many moments, he had taken the many struggles, he had went to many times of the jail. Finally, his leadership, India got the freedom from the Britishers. So, Mahatma Gandhi is born in a small family in Gujarat, Porbandar village. After education, he went to the school education, he went to the London for the barrister or law. He had come to India and went to the service in South Africa. Then some days in South Africa, practicing the law. Then after he had returned to India in 1915 in our country. What is the position of the Indian people at the time of the British? So, very cruel ruling of the British ruling at the time. Many moments are, many passions are, many labors are very suffered of the ruling of the British people. So, how is that Gandhi is taken to decision, to moments, steps, we know about the one by one, he has how to that, like the freedom movement in our India. First of all, we have taken that one, arrival of the Gandhi. After the practice of the South Africa, he is also, there is some moments are led that by black people. So after he had come to India in 1915, at the time of small incidents are in our country. For example, Champaran movement or Keda movement is the first step of the government, the first step of the Gandhiji to take the action against of the British people. So, what is the Keda movement? What is the Champaran movement? Some of the industries, small industries like the textile movement, led the movement against of the Britishers. They don't get the good price of their goods and things. So that's why they are coming to Gandhiji to meet it and to discuss about how the problem of there. When he has go to the British people, British rulers, and to talk something, but solve the problem of the Champaran movement. Then 1919, first of all, one of the most important word of this one, Satyagraha. Very important weapon of the Gandhiji, Ahimsa Satyagraha. Most efficient word of the Satyagraha. Nobody can use it before of this use of this word of Satyagraha. Satya plus Agraha Satyagraha. Satyamuturi Agraham అని చెప్పేసి ఆయన ఒక మూమెంట్ మొదలుపెట్టాడు in 1919. Another incident is one of the most important of the Indian people, very miserable, that is called a Jallianwala Bagh. What is Jallianwala Bagh? It is the incident of the crucial incident of in 1919 April 30 at the Punjab state. At the time, Britishers crucial rule in the country, people are suffered. Many leaders of Indian people are sent to the jail. At the time, some of the leaders, they are arranged a small meeting ground of the Jallianwala Bagh. It is a ground, it's a playground. Dr. Kichlu and other people arrested. There is no cause for the arrested, so that's why some people have arranged the meeting to discuss about the address of the people, how is the rule of the Britishers. In the situation, number of the people they are gathered and attend the meeting, children, women, old people or youngers. Most of the people they are attending the people the leaders are addressing the meeting about the ruling of the Britishers. Number of the people, the ground is a huge, small ground, just one way, there is a small gate. At the time, without notice, General Dyer, old Dyer has come into their order to give the shooter side there, them of the public or people of India. Very crucial, within minutes, within seconds, number of the people are died, shoot or shot at the time of the incident in the Jallianwala Bagh. Near the Amritsar, just Punjab, in the state of Punjab. Many people are died. Some of the thousands of the people died, some of the injured, some of the escaping. So, very miserable, very crucial incident of India. So, it is very harshly treated by General Dyer. General Dyer is a military commander of the Britishers. So, next another day, this news was spread all over the countries and all over India. People are angry, leaders are angry about the incident of this one. Many Indian rulers their rewards are to return to the government. For example, Rabindranath Tagore has given his award of the people to return to the government of Britishers. Gandhiji, other like Rabindranath Tagore, some of the Indian rulers or Congress leaders also, what they have get that some of the awarded, he was written that one. So, very crucial incident of the Jallianwala Bagh on that day, 1919, April 30th, a very important event of in our Indian history. Many people are died to shoot at very crucial situation at the time. Then another important event is the India, before the 1906, all are only equal. There is no difference of the peoples, like a Hindu, like a Muslim, like a Sikh, Christian. Not all are we are Indians that like. But some of the Muslims, they are separated, wanted to get the one separate country, they demanded to the Britishers. They want to need of this to separate our country, India, to separate the country, to divide the country of India. So it's very important event in the Indian history, very miserably important. So Muhammad Ali Jinnah and other leaders of some of the leaders they have discussed about that to Britishers. Yes, we want not to include of the India, we want to separate our country. Please divide India. So that's why one of the organizations that formed that one, that is the Muslim League in 1906 in our country. It's very thinking that many leaders of Congress, they could not like the divide of India, but it is one of the incident of our country. Then another, Khilafat movement. What is the Khilafat movement? Turkish Sultan is one of the great leaders on those time of the Britishers rule in the before independence of India. The British government or the other Europe government is awarded the title of the Turkish Sultan is decided to remove that Sultan. So all the peoples of the Muslims of the world, they have against of the movements led that one, the Sultan, the return of the Sultans. So it is all Muslims are gathered to discuss. In that time, our Indian leaders, our Congress is also supported to the Muslim people. It is against of the government of English people. It is one of the Turkish Sultan movement, or it is one of the Khilafat movement. The Indian leaders also supported that one. Is that movement. Then another one, non-cooperation. It is the most important of our Indian leaders to take on the against the Britishers. Do not cooperate the people of British governors or government. Can use only our productivity. So this is also in 1922 or 21, led the movement of Gandhi, leadership of the another. Then another one, civil disobedience. It is also 21. All the people, they could not support the employees of the Britishers, other rulers, other governors. As we are not a support of we are not a work of the people. We are divided. Only we are resolved to them. So it is a very important moment of the civil disobedience. Many people are participation in this one in unanimously. They are mainly they are good moment of the led that one in this moment. Then another important moment of in the era of the Gandhiji, led the moment of the most important thing of in his life, that is a Dandi March. What is Dandi? It is a salt movement. What is salt? A small quantity of corn is a less price of the goods of these things is salt. In that type of corn, things also the government has paid the tax. It is very worst condition, very worst taken taken by the government of Britishers. Small commodity, small price, just least of the price to purchase of this one. This also to have paid that one. How we will pay the taxes? So in this way, the people, those who are producing the salt in the Gujarat state or the other states, they went to the Gandhiji and to give them some of the memorandum. Small commodity, small price of the goods, this is also paid some of the tax by the government, how we are paying. So that's why Gandhiji led a movement. In 1930, he was started the walking. Sabarmati to Dandi. Nearly 200 miles or 200 kilometers he was walked to the meet near the village people to talk something of to realize it to them of the people of country, to motivate the freedom of the movement, how we are get the freedom in the Indian people. So in every day he went to the other roadside of the people, villages have to meet and discuss something and go to the, some days go to that one, Dandi, to discuss about the leaders of the, or rulers of the government and decide that the movement of the Salt Satyagraha is one of the famous incident or moment in the Gandhi's life, Salt Satyagraha or Dandi March. Then another one, non-cooperation, Dandi March, civil disobedience, then last and final 1942 Quit India movement. Why Quit India movement? In Bengal, the freedom movement was rise very harshly in that movement. People are, like most of the people are come to the participation of the freedom movement in the Bengal state, rising of this one. So finally, so many memorandums are given to the government of the Britishers or rulers, but they can't accept it, they can't give any support or the promise to the people. Finally, Gandhi called a movement. Yes, do or die. Please come to the participate the movement to ultimate giving the government of Britishers must have to all the people to come to outside. Run the people, they given the call of the people of India. All states, number of the people, they are come to the outside, students, peasants, farmers, workers, almost all the people are come to the outside and support of the Gandhiji call of the do or die. The moment of very big, successfully, and government of British, they appointed some of the committee to discuss of the freedom given to the, in this finally 1942 year, there is a very last launch program by the Gandhiji, very important launch, that one, say, good position to the given result of the 1942 Quit India movement to the government of India, government of rulers. So, dear students, in the life of Gandhiji, many movements are started, many movements are succeeded. Is the weapon Satyagraha or Ahimsa. Very important weapons are Satyagraha, those are very important to have taken the two important events have taken to the government of the, to running the people, to attack the people of the speeches, and finally he got the freedom of India in our country. In this moment, another important person is Subhash Chandra Bose also. He is one of the leaders of the Congress, young and dynamic hero and dynamic leader, but different ways of the thinking about the Gandhiji and Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose is to think about the fight is right, but Gandhi not fight. Only submit the paper, submit the, to discuss and solve the problem. Don't violence, non-violence has taken the Gandhiji, but violence has taken by the Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose formed INA, Indian National Army, is called Azad Kashmir, is called Azad Hind Fauj. So, he had prepared some 50,000 people of the soldiers are prepared and movement to take against the British government. He also succeeded. And finally, the British government has promised the Indians, yes, after the First World War, Second World War, we have given the freedom. But Subhash Chandra Bose not believe of the words of the British peoples. Before the Second World War, he went to Japan and with the army and to against the Britishers to join the Japan army to fight that. Finally, in 1946, he has not returned to India. He is missing or died. Aircraft crossing, we don't know about the death mystery of Subhash Chandra Bose. Whatever it may be, both leaders are taken to save the country, to protect the country, to get the freedom of the country, but ways are different. One is the get the freedom for only fight, but get the freedom for only peace. Both different ways, different thought of the different people, That is one of the Gandhi, that is one of the Subhash Chandra Bose. So, dear students, in this class, we can't expand the all over of the book, but you can read the textbook. Everything has happened is there, everything like is there. Reading the book text, very good habit. Everything like that. Every bit also available in this book. First of all, you can read the book. So, it is in our lesson, national moment, the last pass is one of the important pass. 3 passes are there, explained in that one. Before the Congress, after the Congress, then Gandhiji era is how is the 3 how the movements are led by Gandhiji, how he succeeded what is other position, other status position. So many things have happened in the textbook. So, dear students, I have given some of the work of you, the homework. That is first of all, some bits you can prepare, nearly 20 bits you can prepare to take the help of the textbook or workbook. Then another, write about the biography, write about the Gandhiji, a short note or essay note. How many moments are here taken in this book? We are know about that. So, what is that? Write about the Gandhiji and also how the moments are taken. All this. Next, second question, Jallianwala Bagh, 2 marks question. Write about Jallianwala Bagh, write about the Khilafat movement, write about the Dandi March, write about the Quit India. Quit India, Dandi March, Khilafat, and these are 2 marks question. Write about the Gandhiji, 4 marks question. Almost all can you prepare the 20. 1 4 mark, 3 2 marks question, 20 bits are prepared and submit next class your parents. You call for your parents, then I know about, I taken the response of your parents, what is the way of wrong or right. Thank you very much.